thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, northern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 9:50 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles south of Palmyra to Footville and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include downtown Janesville, East Troy, Elkhorn, Delavan Lake, Union Grove, Williams Bay, Lake Geneva, Rochester, Burlington Airport, Browns Lake, Darien, Eagle Lake, Como, Borders Lake, Troy Center, Richmond, Johnstown Center, Millard, Kivitz, and DeBell's Corners. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 o'clock p.m. Thursday evening for southeastern Wisconsin.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-421 Crystal Lake.